Gonna do a bike check for you guys on the bike I just got today. 2012 Eastern Shovelhead. I love it. 21-inch top tube. It has chromo top and bottom tube. Chromo bars. Cool looking stem, don't know much about that. Double wall rims, both front and back. Sealed everything, so like sealed hubs, sealed BB. Just awesome. Chromo forks, chromo cranks, silver chain. It was supposed to be black, I don't know why it's silver, but I like the silverness of it. Cool looking brake, looks like wood but it's not. Seat, got the logo Eastern Bikes in red. Crown, pedals, signature whiz grips. Yeah, this is all stock, as you guys probably already know. And it weighs 25.3 pounds. I like that. Weighs a good. So I'm gonna do a hub sound check for you guys. 1 second. I think that sounds pretty good. 2012 Eastern Shovelhead.